Hi folks, today we are off to the amazing city of Leuven. After 2 wonderful days in Brussels, one in Ghent and one in Bruges, we are off to Leuven. It is an amazing, unique city in Belgium. It's the most famous university city in the world. Earliest history dates back to 891 when the Frankish king Arnulf defeated Viking army at the Battle of Leuven. In 1425 it entered a new golden era when the university was founded. There are lockers here at the railway station. You can leave your luggage. In the 16th century, Leuven became the major European centre for arts and knowledge. KU Leuven, the Catholic University, the oldest Catholic university in the world. This year it has 50,000 students in 3 campuses. Just looking back at the amazing railway station in Leuven. Leuven has a number of universities of applied science, and it has amazing art and music performing centres, and holds a summer rock festival called Market Rock. You can see how quiet it is here sometimes. This is the amazing university library and bell tower. It was completely destroyed in the First World War and rebuilt. Just after restoration, the Second War, it was shelled until burnt down and rebuilt again. Tens of thousands of precious, irreplaceable tombs, scrolls and books were all destroyed from history. You will see thousands of push bikes and students in different parts of this video. It was an amazing city, and when they were in class it was extremely quiet and lovely after 4 days of running around the busy city. You can see the first glimpses of St. Peter's Church. Unfortunately it was closed today for restoration. This amazing area is called Grote Markt. It has the Gothic town hall, the Stadhuis. This was built in the 15th century. It is a truly amazing building adorned with statues of remarkable people from history. Truly one of the most remarkable buildings in the world. Now, this is a pretty remarkable bit of architecture also. Interesting story with St. Peter's. Like I said, unfortunately it was closed today. The building has never been completely finished as per the original plans, as the building has subsided, and on the original plans it had a very tall tower, so it's never been built. A beautiful example of Flemish houses in Grote Markt. You can go for a tour here if you pre-book to Stella Artois Brewery. It is also here in Leuven. It was started in 1717 by Sebastian Artois as the largest beer manufacturer in the world. There are 2 beer festivals in Leuven. In April there's one called Dithoff's Beer Festival, and in May, Leuven Innovative Beer Festival. It would be an amazing time to be around. Leuven started the first modern research laboratory in 1871, where students were introduced to practical exercises. It had never been done before. Some other great points of interest in Leuven is Arenberg Castle. It is now a university. Leuven also has a research centre called IMEC. It is here where they develop in the field of nanoelectronics, digital electronics, biotech, robotics and additive manufacturing IT. If you're here at night time, Oud Market is an amazing area for students and nightlife. We're only here in the afternoon, so we did not go there. In 2021, Riga University developed here in Leuven a potent antiviral against the dengue fever. As you can see here in Leuven in the back streets, it is so quiet that the cafes have the tables and chairs literally on the street. So you can see what I mean by what an amazing city it is. Just a few points from history. This is St. Michael's Church, another example of amazing Leuven. It was also closed. We stopped here, had a late lunch. It was a beautiful little cafe. There's only a few students here at the moment. By the time we finished in about an hour, it was full of students. There's also a famous Fronsky statue here in Leuven. It is adorned with clothing to suit certain celebrations, the same as Mannequin Piss in Brussels. Well, we've had an amazing afternoon walking around Leuven. As I said, after having 4 very busy days, we were looking forward to this quieter one. So we're heading back to the train station now, heading back to Brussels. Tomorrow we fly out to Copenhagen in Denmark for a couple of days. Looking forward to bringing you Copenhagen. If you've enjoyed this very informative vlog, please like and subscribe and check out all our other vlogs on Aussies on Dream Travel. We are back in Brussels now and looking forward to bringing you the next vlog from Copenhagen. So thank you for watching and thank you for your support and have a lovely day. Bye.